ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। आत्मा शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद। The topic of discussion is Atma. Can it have Sukha Dukha or not? Sukha Dukha, they are Guna will be ashrit somewhere. So Atma. Purvapakshi said, so Siddhanti said, Atma which is apratyaksha, pratyaksha avishaya, and Guna is pratyaksha vishaya, means Sukha Dukha. Sukha Dukha, because it is pratyaksha vishaya, it cannot belong to ashraya which is apratyaksha. Purvapakshi gave the drishtanta of Akasha and Shabda. The Shabda is pratyaksha vishaya and Akasha is apratyaksha, but they have guna guni bhava. So why can't it happen for Atma and Dukkham? Correct? Page number 201, last line in Akashasya Shabda Vatva Atmano Dukhitvam iti chet. Akashasya Shabda Guna Vatvavat means Akasha is Shabda Gunavan. Like that, Atma can be Dukhi. Atmanaha Dukhitvam iti chet. Tika Yatra Dharma Dharmi Bhas Tatra Eka Jnana Gamyatvam Drishtam यथा शुक्लो घट इति तद व्यापकम व्यावर्तमानम दुःखात्मनोर धर्मित्वम व्यावर्तयति शब्दायोरपि गुणगुणी भावो न अस्माकं सम्मतः शब्द तन्मात्रम आकाशम इति स्थितेरिति आशयन आह. सिद्धांति सेस यत्र धर्म धर्म विभावः, there where there is dharma dharmi bhava, tatra eka jnana vishayatvam, eka jnana gamyatvam. Means in one knowledge you should know dharma also and dharmi also, just like this pataha. Okay, for some time let us use ghata now. Different drashtanta. So ghata, ghatasya rupam, ghata, ghatasya parimana, they come together in one jnana. Not that I get ghata separately, ghata rupa separately. So they have eka jnana gamyatvam, means in one knowledge the dharma dharmi both will be known. Drishtanta is given yatha shuklo ghataha. Shuklatvam ghatatvam both are together known. Iti tad vyapakam vyavartamanam dukkhatmanor dharma dharmitvam vyavartayati. Tad vyapakam vyavartamanam. So what is the vyapti here? Yatra yatra dharma dharmitvam tatra tatra eka jnana gamyatvam. Where there is dharma dharmitvam, dharma dharmi bhava, yatra dharma dharmi bhava tatra eka jnana gamyatvam. So if in this vyapti, what is vyapaka? Eka jnana gamyatvam is vyapakam, and vyapya is dharma dharmitvam. व्यापक अभावे व्याप्य भाव, यत्र व्याप्यम तत्र व्यापक, यत्र व्यापक अभाव तत्र व्याप्य अभाव. दिस इज व्यतिरेकी व्याप्ति. सो इफ वी से यत्र यत्र धर्म धर्मित्वम तत्र तत्र एक ज्ञान गम्यत्व, यत्र यत्र एक ज्ञान गम्यत्व अभाव तत्र तत्र धर्म धर्मित्व अभाव. So what we are going to show that when Atma when Dukkham is known, Atma is not known. Therefore, between Atma and Dukkha, Dharma Dharmitvam is not there. This is how we are going to prove. See, Tad Vyapakam Vyavartamanam. Vyavartamanam means Abhava. Its Vyavritti is there. Vyavritti means Abhava. Where there is Vyapaka Abhava, so then what will happen? Vyapya Abhava will happen. So if Eka Jnana Gamyatvam is not there, then Dharma Dharmitvam will not be there. So here he says, Tad Vyapakam Vyavartamanam Dukkhatmanoho Dharma Dharmitvam Vyavartayati. Because Vyapaka is not there. Vyapaka is not there between Dukkhatma, Dukkha and Atma. Dukkhatmanoho. In other words, they both are not known through Eka Jnana. Dukkhatmanoho Dharma Dharmitvam. Are they Yatha Sankhya or not? Dukkha is Dharma. Can you hear me or not online?
Yes,
Swami.
Yes, Swami.
Dukkhatmanoho Dharma Dharmitvam. What is Dharma?
Dukkha.
Dukkha.
And what is Dharmi? Atma.
Atma.
So this is called Yatha Sankhya. Yatha Sankhya means in English, what is the word?
In sequence.
Respectively. Respectively. So, like Ramaha, Lakshmanaha, Bharataha, respectively are praying, eating, going. In this way they say. So, Yatha Sankhya. So, Dharma Dharmitvam is not there between Dukkha and Atma, Vyavartayati. And Purvapakshi gave the drishtanta of Shabda and Akasha. He says, Shabda Akasha yoho api guna guni bhavo na asmakam sammata. We don't accept that they have guna guni bhava. Means, Akasha and Shabda, their guna guni bhava is not there. Why? See now this, for most part we take this for granted that Akasha belongs to Shabda. I mean, Shabda belongs to Akasha. You see now what is given. Shabda tanmatram akasham iti sthitehe. Because Shabda tanmatra itself is Akasha. They are not different. In other words, Apanchikrita Akasha itself is the Karanam for Shabda. Shabda Guna comes from Apanchikrita Akasha or belongs to Apanchikrita Akasha when we say. Actually, Shabda is Apanchikrita Akasha only. Therefore, there is no two to create Guna Guni Sambandha. That's what is given here. Shabda tanmatram akasham. Iti sthitehe iti ashenaha na. Eka pratyaya vishayatva anupapattehe. Ashakar says, Eka pratyaya vishayatvam is not there between Atma and Dukkham. Because when Dukkha Grahanam is happening, Atma is Sakshi of that Dukkha. When Sukha Grahanam is happening, Atma is Sakshi of the Sukham. Some Chintanam we can do if you are available for thinking. If I have Ghatakara Vritti, what is the Vishaya of Ghatakara Vritti? Ghata. When the Vritti arising in Antakarana. If there is Sukhakara Vritti, is there a Sukhakara Vritti or not? Sukhakara Vritti's Vishaya will be what? Sukham.
Sukham.
Ghatakara Vritti's Vishaya is Ghata. Sukhakara Vritti's Vishaya will be Sukham. What is Sukham? See, Ghatakara Vritti's Vishaya is a Sthula Padartha. Sukhakara Vritti's Vishaya will be what? Means Jnana.
Vishaya is Sukham.
Jnanam. Vishaya is Sukham. What is Sukham? Sukham is Jnanam, Anubhava. Just like that, Dukkham. Dukkham is also a Jnanam. In other words, now there is a Vritti, Sukhakar Vritti, and Sukham is a Jnanam. This much is clear to everybody. Sukhakar Vritti and Sukham is Jnanam. Jnanam of Sukham is in Antakaranam. Sukhakar Vritti will be it cannot be in Antakarana because your karma and karta both will become same. Karma also is Antakarana, karta also will become Antakarana. Therefore, we will say it is Avidya Vritti. When Sukham is known, it is known through Avidya Vritti. When Ghata is known, it is known through Antakarana Vritti. And that Sukham, when it becomes known, the knower will be Sakshi. Means you can do thinking, I am just giving you some outline. So normally we don't go into this area for thinking. We restrict to Ghata, Pata, because it is Sthula Vishaya. Anyway, so Sakshi will illumine Sukha Dukha, and therefore Eka Pratyaya Vishayatva is not there between them, Atma and Sukha Dukha. Further, Tika. Katham tad anupapattis tatra aha. How there is anupapatti? Anupapatti of what? Eka pratyaya vishayatvam. Means eka jnana gamyatvam, what he said. What we said, eka jnana gamyatvam will not be there. Therefore, they don't have dharma dharmitva possible. So why? Nahi सुख ग्राहकेण प्रत्यक्ष प्रत्ययेन नित्य अनुमेयस्य आत्मनो विषयीकरणम उपपद्यते. नहीं सुख ग्राहकेण प्रत्यक्ष प्रत्ययेन. सुख ग्राहक प्रत्यक्ष प्रत्यय, because sukham is known through pratyaksha and atma is nitya anumeya. Now, this Nitya Anumeya Atma, in Tika, it is given Nitya Anumeyasya iti Jarat Tarkika Mata Anusarena Sankhya Samayanusarena cha Uktam. Atma is Nitya Anumeya. For whom? Jarat Tarkika. Jarat Tarkika means हाँ, प्राचीन नैयायिक. Tarkika means we know, Jarat means old, but you don't say old Tarkika, you say Prachina Nayayika. Because there is Navya Nyaya, that is next line, Adhunikam Tarkikam, and there is Prachina Nyaya. So Prachina Nayayika Matanu, and Sankhya Samayanu Sarena Cha. Sankhya also says Atma is Nitya Anumeya. Nitya Anumeya se Atmano Pratyaksha Pratyena Na Vishayikaranam. Vishayikaranam. Vishayikaranam means, are we talking about Vishaya or Vishayi?
Vishaya.
Vishaya. We are referring to Vishaya, Ghata, or here Atma. Atmano Vishayikaranam means, see, I'll tell you the Vakya. Atmano Vishayikaranam na upapadyate means what? Somebody said, that Atma does not become Vishaya. Even though the word is Vishayikaranam, there is a sutra here. Abhuta tadbhave kribhu asti yoge. Kribhu asti yoge sampadya kartari chvi. Chvi pratyay is there. Abhuta tadbhave kribhu asti yoge sampadya kartari chvi. Sutra number 5450. So what this sutra says is, E adesha comes here. Vishayikarana. Like another drashtanta would be, Shukli karoti. Or Shuklam, Shukli karoti. Shukli. Like here, Ghatam Vishayi karoti. Tika. Adhunikam Tarkikam Pratyah. Now the Navya Nayayika, towards them, Acharya says, Tasya cha Vishayi karane Atmanah ekatvad Vishayi abhava prasangah. See this Vakya. Tasya cha Vishayi karana Atmanah ekatvad Vishayi abhava prasanga. Vishayi karana Vishayi abhava. Of these, where this sutra with Chvi Pratyaya has come, Vishayi Karane or Vishayi Abhav Prasange? In Vishayi Karana, only Kri Dhatu when it is there, Kri Bhu As Yoga. Kri Bhu As. Kri Bhu As, you know, they are used for in the lit also, like Chakara, all those Chakara, etc., the pratyas come at the end. Bibhayan Chakara, like Yajnavalkya. So tasya Atmanah. Atma cannot become Vishaya. Why? If there is only one Atma, if Atma becomes Vishaya, then who will be Vishayi? Vishayi Abhav Prasanga will come. This is the sentence. Now there is some thinking. Tika. Sukhadivad Atmanopi Pratyakshena Vishayikarane. You can see this Vishayikarana, that Vishayi Dirgha keeps coming. So you have to keep this sutra in mind. Vishayikarane sati ekasmin dehe tadaikya sammatehe atmantarasya tatra yogat ekatra bhoktridvaya anishtehe. Let's see this one. Sukhadivad atmanopi pratyaksha. Just like Sukham becomes pratyaksham, Atma also becomes pratyaksha, means becomes a Vishaya, Vishayikarane sati. Then ekasmin dehe tadaikya sammatehe atmantarasya tatra yogat. Because Nyaya accepts many Atmas. So in one Deha, one Atma. In another Deha, another Atma. In another Deha, another Atma. Like that they think. Ekasmin Dehe tadaikya sammatehe. Tadaikya means Sukha is also pratyaksha, Atma is also pratyaksha, let us say. Atmantarasya. Another Atma, you cannot do pratyaksha. Because they accept Manasa pratyaksha of Atma. Atma is known through mind. In Nyaya Darshana, Navya Nyaya, Manasa pratyaksha is there. But Manasa pratyaksha you can do only of your Atma, not Anyasya. So Anya Atma will not be. See, my Ghata is pratyaksha. Anyasya Ghata is also pratyaksha. But in Atma it will not happen. Tatra yoga. Ekatra bhoktridvaya anishtehe purushantarasya anyam prati pratyakshatvat. Ekatra bhoktridvaya, in one sharira. At one place means in one sharira. Two bhoktas cannot come. Means two Atma cannot come in one sharira. Bhokta, that is Anishta. Anishte Purushantarasya Anyam Prati Apratyakshatvat. Purusha means Atma. Purushantarasya Anyam Prati. Another Atma for Yajnadatta's Atma is not known to Devadatta. It is Apratyaksha. So if you say Atma becomes Pratyaksha, it will be valid only for one's own Atma, not anything else. Anyam Prati Apratyakshatvat Drashtru Abhavat Atma Drishyatva Asiddhi. If there is no Drashta, how will you say Atma has become Drishya? Drashtra Bhavat. That is Drashtriya Bhavat. In this way you have to read. Drashtra Bhavat. If there is no other Drashta, how will you know Atma is Drishya? In other words, if Atma has become Vishaya, you need a Vishayi. Let's say my Atma is Vishaya. Okay. Devadatta. Devadatta's Atma is Vishaya. Yajnadatta, can he know Devadatta's Atma? No. Because Anya, for other person, Anya Atma is not Pratyaksha. His Atma is Pratyaksha. Okay, so that is out. So Devadatta's Atma cannot be known through Yajnadatta. Can Devadatta's Atma be known to Devadatta? But here what he said, that Atma is Vishaya now. So now, the same thing cannot be Vishaya and Vishayi. And in one Deha, two Bhoktas cannot come. Means two Atma cannot be there. That one Atma will become Vishaya, another Atma will become Vishayi. This is also not possible. That is what this Vakya is. Some Vakyas are little bit intense for thinking. Some Purva Pakshi says, why this cannot happen? I will explain. A lamp is there. Lamp is illumining other objects, and lamp illumines itself also. To illumine the lamp, you don't need another lamp. Nadipasya anya dipecha. And the Buddhas have this kshanik vijnanavada. See now. Deepasya swavyavahara hetutvena vishaya vishayitvavat ekasyaiva atmano drashtu drishyatva siddhehe. Just like a deepa. You see the thought process also. What wonderful process, progression is there. One lamp can do swavyavahara hetutvena vishaya vishayitva. What? Both it will do. Means it will illumine other things, it will illumine itself. Ekasyaiva atmana. One atma can become drashta, same atma will be drishya. And this is kshanik vijnanavada siddhanta. Drishtra drishyatva siddhehe. Therefore, drashtra abhavo nasti. Therefore, you cannot say that when atma is drishya, who will be drashta? Drashta is same, atma is drashta also. Iti shankate. Ashya. Ekasyaiva vishaya vishayitvam deepavat. Iti chet. Ekasyaiva atmanaha. One atma will play both the roles, vishayi and vishaya. Iti chet. Tika. Atmano vishaya vishayitvam kartsniyena amshabhyam va. Siddhanti says, okay, let's do vikalpa. Two vikalpas. Pay attention. Atma is vishaya also and vishayi also. Completely or in part. Means entire atma is vishaya, entire atma is vishayi, or one part of atma is vishaya, one part of atma is vishayi. In this way. Adyapi, in the first one also there are two vikalpas. Yugapad, Kramenava. So Karsyena, Adya first vikalpa is Karsyena. Karsyena completely. In that, simultaneously it is Vishaya also and Vishayi also. Or first Vishaya, then Vishayi, or first Vishayi, then Vishaya. So many options we give. Because we know he is going to lose. See, when we know we can defeat the opponent, we will create 25 vikalpas and we'll refute all of them. And then we'll say what we are saying is right. Are you all enjoying?
Yes, Ramati.
And everybody is listening at least. Okay. Now you imagine Yugapat and Karsyena, this vikalpa. So completely Atma is Vishaya, completely Atma is Vishayi. Is it possible? Na Yugapat. Why? In Bhashya is given Na Yugapat Sambhavat in Tika. Na Yugapat Asambhavat. Kriyayam gunatvam kartritvam tatra pradhanyam karmatvam ato yugapat eka kriyam prati ekasya sakalyena guna pradhanatva ayogat naivam ityartha. In kriya gunatvam kartritvam tatra pradhanyam karmatvam. Drishtanta we can take. This is for Mimamsaka, they have given here 4 number tippani. Kriyayam kartru gaunataya anvayaha karmanasya pradhanyena tathacha ghatam pashyati. You take different drishtanta. For example, Chaitro gacchati. Chaitro gramam gacchati, let us say. What is who is the karta? Chaitra. What is the karma? Gramam. In this, karma is pradhana. Mimamsaka, karma is pradhana. Association is there with kriya. Because gamana kriya will give you prapti of grama in this way. Maitro chaitram pashyati. Chaitro gacchati. Maitraha chaitram pashyati. Right? Another person called Maitra is watching Chaitra. Maitro chaitram pashyati. In this, what is karma? Chaitra. So in the previous kriya, Chaitra is karta. Now he is karma. In kriya, pradhanyam is karmatvam. Gunatvam is gaunatvam. Kartritvam is gauna. Gunatvam kartritvam. अतो युगपत् एक क्रियां प्रति एकस्य साकल्येन गुण प्रधानत्व अयोगात्. Therefore, in one kriya, one and the same thing cannot be gauna also and pradhana also. Like chaitro gramam gacchati, so one thing will be pradhana, grama. Chaitra will be gauna. In the other one, maitra will be gauna, chaitra will become pradhana. So they are two different kriyas. But in one kriya, together the same thing cannot be guna, means gauna and pradhana. Na dvitiya. What is this dvitiya? Tell me. Kramena, karsniyena kramena. First one was karsniyena yugapat. Right? Now karsniyena kramena. Karsniyena kramena means complete. Atma completely is vishaya. Then Atma completely is vishayi. So now when Atma is vishaya, who is the vishayi? Nobody.
There is no Vishaya.
Because whole Atma is Vishaya, so nobody is there to watch. Then next moment, whole Atma is Vishayi. Then nothing to see. Like if somebody said, when I am there to teach, there is no student. When I am there to study, there is no teacher. It is possible. So this is Karsniyena Kramena. Yugapad means at the same time it cannot be Vishaya and Vishayi. Kramena means when one becomes Vishaya, then there is no other Vishayi. When he becomes Vishayi, no Vishaya is there. Okay, what about Amshabhyam? So ek bhave anya bhavaditi matva kalpantaram pratyaha atmani amshanupapattesya. In Atma, amshas are not possible. Why? Because it is niramsha. Etena pradipa drashtantopi pratinitaha. Pratinitaha means it is answered or it is refuted. Tasya amshabhyam tad bhave prakrita ananukulatvat. Because Atma does not have amsha. Therefore, this is not possible. In deeper, you can explain because you can create in amsha. Tika, further. Nanu vijnanavadino yugapad ekasya vijnanasya sakalyena grahya grahakatvam upayanti. Kshanik vijnanavadi, simultaneously they will say it is grahya also and grahaka also. Tatha tu tatha tvad atmano api syat. Then like that you Vedanti also, why don't you also accept that same Atma is grahya also, grahak also. Means drashya also, drashta also. Tatraha etena bhashya. Etena vijnanasya grahya grahakatvam pratyuktam. Vijnanasya means vijnanavadina. By this, whatever we have explained, we have refuted that one and the same thing cannot be drashta and drishya. But you say you also in Vedanta, you say Atma does not need other Atma. and you say Atma is Swayam Prakasha. Swayam Prakasha means what? You are also saying that Atma is illumined by itself. But remember, we don't say Atma is doing karma of Prakashanam and Atma itself becomes object of Prakasha. We don't say like that. This is the difference between Kshanik Vijnanavada and Vedanta. Kshanik Vijnanavada will say Atma is Drashta, Atma is Drishya. Vedanta will say Atma is Swayam Prakasha. It sounds that they are saying the same thing. But what is the difference? Vedanta says Atma without becoming Drishya. It is just illumination. Like, can we say, loosely we may say sun illumines itself. But really speaking, sun is not doing any karma to illumine. Sun is. It is of the nature of light. Without doing any act of illumination, it is just there. Because it does not need other illumination, that is indicated by self-luminous. So this is the Bheda. Ekasya ubhayatva nirasena. So one and the same thing cannot be both. Ma bhut pratyaksham agamikam paribhashikam va atmanaha samsaritvam. So now you have to remember, we started with whether Atma is samsari or asamsari. This is the main discussion. We said, okay, let there be no samsaritvam of Atma known through pratyaksha, pratyaksham agamikam or paribhashikam va. But anumanikam tu bhavishyate. Through anumanam we will prove. So this anumana part we will see in the next session. Paribhashikam, 6 number tippani says, Vijnanavadi paribhasha siddham. Paribhashikam means which is known through Vijnanavadi. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sudravashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.